welcome back to another video. Somebody asked about wear and tear of teeth on a fruit-based lifestyle. Now, I want to give you the secret sauce, the pinnacle, the the top of the mountain information when it comes to teeth health on a fruit-based lifestyle. You know, I've been to the dentist, you know, twice every year for, you know, all my life. Well, you know, for a long time. And every time I go to the dentist, I always ask them, so what is the secret? What is the key? Like, how do I keep my teeth healthy forever? And they always tell me, they always just dispense the ancient scrolls on how to do this. And they say the same thing every time. They're like, brush in the morning, brush at night, floss. I know, it's top secret stuff. I know, I should have paid to get in. So yeah, they say if they can get the world to just brush in the morning, brush in the evening, floss in the evening or something like that, once per day, it would save them so much work.